All right, y'all, we have another Ducati here. This is going to be a 2005 Ducati 999s. Another one with the lost key situation. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to make a key from scratch to the ignition. We're going to remove the dashboard cluster, take it back to the shop, do the programming. We have a bag of keys here, so we're going to do everything from scratch. I'll come back in a little bit with the bike key generated from scratch and programmed. We don't get to go out in the field that much to do this like we used to. A lot of y'all send me the parts, but I'll show you this bike running as soon as I'm done. Thank you. All right, we're back. The keys generated for the bike, dashboards program. We have 2 keys here. So we end up giving the customer 3 keys. Gas cap works nice and smooth. Let's get the steering wheel lock. Turn it to that position. Bam. Park. Let's get it out of the steering lock. As you notice, the security light goes off. And that's about it. If you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how long it's going to take. And that's about it. I'll go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.